sales. Let's see what templates do we have for this query. And it's as simple as that. So we have one from n8n, sales assistant, one from n8n, human-in-the-loop sales automation, and one from n8n, multi-platform sales automation. Let's copy this one, import it to n8n. And as you can see, we found the right template in seconds. I scraped hundreds of n8n templates from famous YouTubers like n8n and n8n. And today I'm giving you all of them completely for free. So while most people are wasting hours every single day building these systems from scratch, you will have 99% of the work done for you without even needing to join any school communities. I also gave this database to an AI agent so you can ask him for the exact template you need and he will find it in seconds. These templates are so powerful that people are selling them for thousands of dollars. So let me show you what's inside and how to use it. So this is the database containing all of the templates, and as you can see, there are hundreds of them. On the left there is a title of the workflow, then a small description. These are the links where you will download the JSON file of the workflow. We also have a score from 1 to 5 depending on how creative and useful each workflow is. And these are the creators of the workflows. So we have names like n8n, n8n, Ben.ai, and all of these different names you're probably familiar with. They are dropping so much value when it comes to n8n. So this is the chatbot interface connected to that Google Sheet database, so we can ask for the exact template we need without having to go through the entire sheet. And by the end of this video, I will share how you can get this chatbot and the Google Sheet completely for free. But first, I want to show you how I use this system to solve real problems, either for me or for a client. So let's say a client comes to me and says, I want to double my sales. How would I deliver? Well, the first thing we need to increase sales is more leads. So let's start with something simple. I'm going to search for lead scraping and let's see what results we get. So the first one is from n8n, leads from Google Maps Scraper. Then we have one from n8n, Master Social Scraper, and one from this guy that I won't even try to pronounce, which is a web scraping automation. This workflow uses Crawl4AI and n8n to scrape website data. It takes a URL as input, which is not what we want. n8n workflow scrapes content from X, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, which is also not what we want. This workflow scrapes lead emails from Google Maps, search results using HTTP requests. So I'm going to copy this one. Go to address in new tab. And here I just need to download it. I'm going to create a new workflow. Import from file. Upload. And just like that, we have our first building block for this system. And as you can see, we have some information about what each part does. So we start by setting a query and it'll get the website URLs. This loop will extract the email from each website and then save them to a Google Sheet. Okay, so now that we already have the email of our leads, we need to convert them. So I'm going to search for sales automation. The first result we get is from n8n, human-in-the-loop sales automation. We have one from Ben.ai, multi-platform sales automation, and one from n8n, sales assistant. This n8n workflow creates automated AI sales assistant that captures leads. We already have the leads, so we don't need this system. AI system automates sales across WhatsApp. We need to send them an email, so we also don't want this system. This workflow automates sales outreach by capturing leads from Airtable, generating personalized emails with AI. I'm going to choose this system and we will replace the Airtable database with our Google Sheet. So let's copy this one and paste it to n8n. Here it is, we have our human-in-the-loop sales team where this agent will be generating the email and then waiting for our approval so we can actually guarantee some quality control over our outreach. And then this agent will be taking our feedback as its input and generating as many versions until we're satisfied with the result. The only thing you would need to change here would be replacing these two Airtable nodes for Google Sheet ones. I hope you can start to see the possibilities here. You could be an expert and use this database as inspiration for your own projects, or you can be a beginner and stitch together multiple workflows in a couple of minutes and build a complete AI system you can sell for thousands of dollars. And the best part is that all of these systems come with a YouTube video explaining you exactly how each part works and how to set everything up. I've also added this component to it that uses Perplexity to enrich our leads, so that our sales agent can write a more personalized email. But the truth is that I could be here all day adding components to this, and that would just make it boring for you. So instead, I'm just going to tell you how you can get access to this and give you a simple tip so you can get the best results. So the only thing you need to get access to the chatbot and the Google Sheet is to scroll down to the description. You'll see these links where you'll get instant access to them. But before, let me give you a pro tip to find exactly what you're looking for 10 times faster. Imagine you are not looking for a specific workflow but would like to get a few workflow ideas from a specific YouTuber. To give you an example, I'll search for n8n. As you can see, we didn't get any results from n8n, and that's because the creator is saved as metadata, so our agent can't actually look for it in the database. So instead, you can go to the sheet, click on Command F for Mac and Ctrl F for PC, and search for the YouTuber you want. And now they should be highlighted on the page, and you can use the arrows to see each one. I hope you find this database useful, and if you like this video, consider subscribing because I'm just starting out on YouTube and would really appreciate your support.